Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're confused on how to do the ESP, so go over to Daniel Nywold here, link will be in description again, and then click on ESP Unpatchable New and click on ESP Download, and then I'm pretty sure it gives you a DLL injector, and yeah, it should look something like mine, except mine's not open yet, so yeah. We'll do it in a second, and yeah. Alright, so now that we are in a game of Phantom Forces, oh wait, never mind. I guess it's making me join a different server. Okay then. Okay, so what you're going to go ahead and do, open your Windows bar and search DLL injector. And it should look something like this, the one that it comes with. And yes, I have Nonsense Diamond on here, so. Oops. Oh gosh. Okay, whatever. So what you're going to do, go ahead and click Roblox player beta.exe and press select DLL. And then just go okay then. Click access this PC downloads. So go ahead and find Daniel Nywold Unpatchable ESP, and then click on this, and then where there's ESP.dll. Double click on it and press Roblox player beta, and go ahead and deploy, and then press inject and press OK, and then boom. So it's white if you can't see him and you can't shoot at him, and then it's blue when you can see him. When you can see them and shoot at them. Well, I guess if it's a really thin wall and they're right in front of you in the wall, then you can shoot them. They'll still be white, but yeah. Should I get the X-ray script out? I'll do it later. Is this problem with you guys? I swear. It never... Oh, my dad texted me. Oh my gosh. That actually looks really cool. Why do I have so much grenades? Okay, I think I died. But... does this happen to you guys? Because it never saves the skins that I have on, or my attachments, I swear. Alright. Weapon skin. Triangle. Oh, wow. Texture material. Smooth plastic. Should I do that? Or ice or marble? I like smooth, but there's neon. Actually, neon looks nice. There we go. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So this is an Unpatchable hack. It's nice, actually. I really like it. I've been using it. You can download it from We Are Devs, but I bet it'll say failed virus detected. If you download it from Daniel Nywold, I don't know why it doesn't say failed virus detected. And it's if you scan it with Windows Defender or Malwarebytes, it doesn't say anything. It says the DLL injector may be a malware, but I don't think it is because Windows Defender doesn't detect it. But Windows Defender is freaking stupid. So I kind of expected it. I don't know, like, yeah. But, Scarell. Ooh, that thing is nice. We might buy that later. So now I'm just doing a gameplay with this on. The beginning was just a tutorial. There's nothing else to know. Oh, wait. Well, it says it in the top left corner. F6 for solid mode. Solid mode is on right now. So this is solid, and then F7 is wireframe. Let me turn it on. So everything is just kind of like a wire now. See that? And F6 is to turn solid back on. And then your insert key on your keyboard is to turn ESP on and off. You see right now it is off. And now it's on. Okay. This is also for every game. You can even do it on jailbreak. It's kind of crazy, but you can. Yo, boys, he's shooting at us. I'm dead. I'm dead. Is there literally... There's only 8 people on the server. Bro. Wow, why? Because... I don't know why, actually. I just pressed yes because he's really killing me, and it's really annoying. Frickin', we need 3 more people. Come on. Let me go ahead and get up here. Never mind then, I can't do that. I'll just try and... Never mind then. I guess I can't do that either. Oh! There's someone up there. It's pretty OP. He's probably like, how did somebody see me? Assist! I got an assist. I'm gonna turn wireframe mode on. I just hate how it goes around your head. If it didn't go around your head in this game, it would be much better, but I just like how when you shoot the bullet, it's a cool wire. Let me go ahead and put it back to the normal one. So F6. Oops, I turned on FPS somehow. Like a weird FPS box. 50 frames per second. I don't know if that's good at all. Great! OMG hacker die. What gonna do now? What? Who hacker? Who is the hacker? He killed me. He is a hacker. Oh, I get it. It wasn't letting me shoot. Did you see that? I was pressing the mouse down. It just wouldn't let me kill. Bro, someone must have hacked. It won't let me shoot. Oh, there we go. Now it is. That was weird. I'm monkey. He's a monkey. He's a confirmed, 100% confirmed monkey, guys. No, no, he is a monkey. No kicking monkeys. It's animal abuse. He said he was a monkey, so no kicking monkeys. That's called animal abuse. Oh. No animal abuse in Roblox. I put is Roblox. If you guys made it this far, probably haven't. Comment monkey. Comment McCunn is a monkey in the comments, guys. And then I'll know you watched until this part if you yes. But that is a tutorial. I might not end the video yet because this is fun. No. This game is ridiculous. You're ridiculous, my dude. Ah! What's happening? I can't see. Why? Why me? How did I even open that frames per second thing? I don't want it there anymore. I don't want that either. Oh wait, should we print something? Let's print something for the end of the video. Let's open nonsense diamond. Oh wait. Scroll up. Nonsense diamond.exe. My key is, don't even remember. Key for day. Okay. I hope it won't crash my game. It didn't crash the game. I don't see it. I don't think it crashed the game, guys. Never mind. Oh, darn. Here, let's just try it. Still. Wait. Execute. Alright then. Let's still just play. Even though our game crashed. I honestly don't really care. Alright. Well, I guess we'll end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.